Greetings, Eagle-IoT users. Do you want to personalize your Eagle-IoT experience? In this tutorial, we'll explore the empowering tabs navigation bar guiding you through effortless language switching and other handy features. This convenient menu offers a range of options to elevate your user experience. Let's get started. To select your preferred language in Eagle-IoT, simply click the Language button located alongside other options like full screen, text size, and search. A drop-down menu will display available languages. Choose the one you wish to use, and Eagle-IoT will automatically adjust. This concludes our tutorial on Eagle-IoT's navigation and language settings. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. Discover additional tips and tutorials, stay connected for updates, and unlock the full potential of your Eagle-IoT journey.